From dull and dated to drop-dead gorgeous. Today we are diving into 4 epic home makeovers that will leave you in awe. These transformations will redefine luxury living and have you itching to revamp your own space. Let's get inspired. Welcome back to our channel where we celebrate all things design, DIY, and decorating. And today's episode is all about those incredible makeovers that take a house from blah to Bella. So if you're a fan of amazing transformations, hit that like button and let's dive right in. Our first stop takes us to a luxurious log cabin retreat that was in desperate need of a facelift. The original build was cozy but dated with heavy wood paneling and an overall outdated vibe. But with the help of some creative geniuses, this cabin has undergone a stunning transformation. The designers chose to embrace the rustic charm of the original structure while infusing it with modern luxury elements. The result is nothing short of spectacular. The heavy wood paneling was removed from the walls, revealing the true beauty of the logs. The interior was flooded with natural light, making the space feel airy and open. And the use of high-quality materials such as marble and leather added a touch of elegance. Each room tells its own story, from the gourmet kitchen to the spa-like bathrooms. Every detail has been meticulously thought out, from the plush carpeting to the state-of-the-art appliances. The outdoor spaces were not neglected either. The wraparound porch has become the perfect spot to relax and take in the breathtaking views. The interiors blend seamlessly with the surroundings, creating a true sense of tranquility and luxury. This home is a testament to the fact that a rustic retreat can be both cozy and chic. If you're loving this video so far, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. Your support means everything to us, and we really appreciate it. Now let's move on to the next amazing home makeover. Our next transformation takes us to a beachside property that needed a serious makeover. The dated decor and lack of functionality were not doing the stunning oceanfront location any justice. But with the help of a talented designer, this home has been turned into a modern masterpiece. The designer opted for a clean and contemporary look with a neutral color palette and plenty of natural materials. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, which now boasts top-of-the-line appliances and sleek custom cabinetry. The living areas are bright and airy with floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking views of the ocean. The bedrooms are true sanctuaries with plush bedding and spa-like bathrooms. The outdoor spaces have also been greatly enhanced with a new deck and pool area that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor living. The result is a home that is both stylish and functional, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying some much-needed R&R. The transformation of this beachside property is truly remarkable. With its prime location and modern amenities, this home is the epitome of coastal chic. Before we move on to the next jaw-dropping makeover, if you're feeling inspired and ready to tackle your own home project, we'd love to hear about your dream renovation. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and who knows, you might even find the support and motivation you need to turn your vision into reality. Now let's check out another amazing transformation that will leave you in awe. Our next stop takes us to a fixer-upper that had seen better days. The home's dated 70s style was not working for the new owners, who wanted a space that reflected their modern and sophisticated taste. With the help of an interior design team, they embarked on a journey to create a home that was both stylish and functional. The designers chose to embrace the home's mid-century roots while giving it a contemporary twist. The result is a stunning blend of old and new, with each room offering a unique and inviting atmosphere. The color palette consists of a mix of warm and cool tones, creating a sense of balance and harmony. Natural materials such as wood and stone are used throughout, adding texture and warmth to the space. The kitchen is a true showstopper with its custom cabinetry and top-of-the-line appliances. The living areas are perfect for entertaining with plenty of seating options and clever storage solutions. The bedrooms are cozy and inviting with plenty of natural light, and the bathrooms have been updated with modern fixtures and finishes. The outdoor spaces have also been greatly enhanced, with a new patio and landscaping that complement the home's architecture. The transformation of this 70s-style house into a modern gem is truly remarkable. The designers managed to preserve the home's unique character while infusing it with the owner's personal style. And for our final home makeover, we're headed to a property that needed a serious style upgrade. The outdated decor and lack of functionality were not doing the home's beautiful bones any justice. But with the help of an interior designer, this house has been transformed into a stylish and inviting space that its new owners can enjoy for years to come. The designer chose to embrace the home's architectural details, while giving it a fresh and modern look. The color palette consists of a mix of soft neutrals and bold accents, creating a sense of balance and sophistication. Natural materials such as wood and stone are used throughout, adding texture and warmth to the space. The kitchen is a true showstopper with its custom cabinetry and state-of-the-art appliances. The living areas are perfect for entertaining with plenty of seating options and clever storage solutions. The bedrooms are cozy and inviting with plenty of natural light, and the bathrooms have been updated with modern fixtures and finishes. The outdoor spaces have also been greatly enhanced with a new patio and landscaping that complement the home's architecture. The transformation of this dated home into a stylish oasis is truly remarkable. The designer managed to infuse the space with the owner's personal style while preserving its unique character. And there you have it, folks, for epic home makeovers that redefine luxury living. From rustic retreats to modern masterpieces, these transformations will leave you in awe and itching to revamp your own space. Which home is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling inspired. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time on our channel.